Hi everyone, this is the gas walkthrough for November 2nd. I'm Philip Newman. Today I'm solving diagonal X sums by Bill Murphy. As the name suggests, this is a diagonal X sum Sudoku. We have normal Sudoku rules, 1 to 9 in each row, column, and 3x3 box. Additionally, we have some clues outside the grid. And what does an X sums clue look like? Well, we're going to look at the first cell pointed at by the clue. If this were not diagonal X sums, it would just be the first cell next to the clue. But we have an arrow, it's pointing at a cell. That first cell is X, whatever digit is there. So let's say this is 3. This clue would be saying that the first 3 cells, because X is 3, sum to 23. Now that's not correct in this case. We can see that, but that's how they work. And those are the rules, and I don't think I've solved this one. So that's kind of a rarity these days. Usually I test most of Bill's puzzles before they get posted, but this is a new one. So let's start. And all of these are very restricted. Not so much by the sums, but because there are only so many cells that they can reference. So this 27 has to be 4 cells. Any fewer cells, we're not going to get to 27. We have 20 here now, so that's going to be a 7. You'll notice we can repeat along these clues, along diagonals, because they don't see each other. The 12 and the 8, this can't be 3, and it can't be 1, so it's got to be 2 with a 6. This must be the 3, and it needs a 5. And then we're going to have 1 and 8 in these cells. This again needs to be a 4. We already saw 3 is too small. This is 16, so this is another 7. And again, this is 2, this is 3, 6 here, and we need 5 here. And these are 1, 9. Also not resolved yet. 3 here would still be too small, so this is going to be 4 with a 1. 2 and 3. And 3 needs a 5 again. I'm sensing a pattern there. This we can resolve as 7 and 8. The 17 needs to be a 4, 6 left over. This is 3 and 2, 7, and this time we need an 8. That's going to resolve our 1, 8, 1, 9, 1 there, 8 there. These are 2, no, not 2, 4 and 9. We can do, that's not 4, that's the 7. Oh, my brain is misfiring. Alright, 3, 8, 9 here, we can't do yet. 1, 2, 7, we can do the 1. Here we have 1, 3, 5, we can do the 3. We have 2, 6, 9. 3, 5, 8, we can do all of those with the 5s. And then this is 2, 6, 9, we can do the 6 there. What have we got left here? 3 and 8, the 8's got to go there. This was 3, 9, do that now. 2, 7, we can't do yet. The 9 is going to resolve that, and that's going to give us the 2, 7. That gives us a 1 there. These are 4, 6, and 7, which we can do if I can type. These are 1 and 5, we already said. These are 2, 5, 6, so that's 6. 9 and 8 in the row. These are 3 and 9. And 2, 5. So something we've got over here. 2, 6. And then 2, 5, 5, and 1. That's the solution. Lovely puzzle. A little bit cheeky with the X's all being forced by the number of cells left. But I quite like that. There's a lot of interesting things you can do with this variant with bigger clues. So maybe I'll have a go at that sometime. But let us know how you did in the comments. I hope you enjoyed that as well. And I will see you next time.